Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session 2020-2021. I am Miss Sabine from Educator Professional Campus. I am your computer teacher and will teach you computer in class. Welcome to my class. Today my topic is chapter 1, Introduction to Computer. In this chapter we will study the introductory session of the computer. The main purpose of this chapter is to introduce the amazing machine, its limitation, characteristic, introduce the history and development of computer, various types of computer, advantages and impact of computer in our society, first-hand knowledge about programming language and translator. First, I will teach you or guide you about the basic definition of the computer. Computer is an electronic device that can process data at an amazingly fast speed and produce accurate results. A computer is an information processing machine. A computer only follows the instruction it is given. Data is input. So simply you can say computer is a device that can process data. Processing of data is vast in its meaning. Computer can process numeric data by applying fundamental arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The alphabetic and alphanumeric data processing consists of operations like rearranging, reordering, now there are two types of computer. Computer is divided into two types, hardware and software. The physical or tangible components forming a computer are called hardware. While people talk about a computer, they usually mean the hardware. Hardware is a collective term. It includes not only the computer but also the cables, connectors, power supply unit and peripheral devices such as the keyboard, mouse, audio speaker, printer, etc. The term is used to distinguish these fixed parts of a system from the changeable software or data components which it executes, stores or carries, while software refers to the program that instructs the computer what to and how to do. Software make the computer useful. Software is the general name given to all the programs, instructions and data necessary to make the computer usable. The term software refers to the non-physical element of a computer system. Examples are Windows, Visual Basic, Norton Antivirus, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. Computer is an automatic machine. Computer has memory. It has capacity to remember what it has done. It can perform logical functions. Capabilities of computer: high speed, repetition, accuracy, storage, logical operation, self-checking operations, etc. Limitation of computers: computer cannot generate information on its own. Computer cannot correct instruction on its own. Computer cannot come up with original decision. These are some of the uses at home, institution, in medical field, in scientific, in business, in offices, along in queue where computers are used nowadays. Limitation and advantages: Computer can't think of its own, computer can't feel it on its own, etc. Disadvantages: health risk, violation of privacy, impact on labor force, impact on environment, public safety.